How to check if all of the following items are in a list? I found that there is related question about how to find if at least one item exists in a list. How to check if one of the following items is in a list. But what is the best and Pythonic way to find whether all items exists in a list? Searching through the docs, I found this solution. Other solution would be this. But here you must do more typing. Is there any other solutions?
Operators like is lower than or equal to in Python are generally not overridden to mean something significantly different than less than or equal to. It's unusual for the standard library does this. It smells like legacy API to me. Use the equivalent and more clearly named method, set.issueSet. Note that you don't need to convert the argument to a set, it'll do that for you if needed.
I would probably use set in the following manner. Or the other way round. I find it a bit more readable, but it may be overkill. Sets are particularly useful to compute union/intersection/differences between collections, but it may not be the best option in this situation.
I like these two because they seem the most logical, the latter being shorter and probably fastest, shown here using set literal syntax which has been backported to Python 2.7.
What if your list contained duplicates like this? Sets do not contain duplicates. So, the following line returns true. To count for duplicates, you can use the code. So, the following line returns false.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.